It's the new Mora Survival Kit. Yes, no, sort of. Let me explain. Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Yes, we're going to talk about the new Mora Survival Kit and kind of what it is and what it isn't. So bottom line, I think this is a solid product. I love Mora products. What we're going to talk about today is the survival kit that's built for the Kansbol and also the Gerberg. It basically is going to click into place on your actual sheath. So as you can see there, this black piece is going to slide and lock into place. We got a firesteel with some paracord, and then over here we have a sharpener. Now I'm not going to do a full review on the Kansbol. I have this in the green. I now have it in the orange too. Awesome knife. I think underrated. This is an excellent knife. Not as robust as the Gerberg, but still a great knife. But this is what we're really focused on here, is the survival kit. Now, the reason I say no is because I wouldn't call it a survival kit. I would call it a firesteel and sharpener attachment. Survival kit to me is going to include, you know, for something like this, maybe it's got some water purification tabs. In a great survival kit, you'll have some sort of coverage, like, you know, even an astronaut blanket, something like that. Maybe it's got some fish hooks, something like that. This is a sharpener, which is cool, and a firesteel, which is cool. Survival kit, not really. Will it help you survive more than just the knife? Yeah, I would definitely say so, but I wouldn't call it a survival kit. But that being said, the terminology is kind of take it or leave it. That's the attachment. So you take the firesteel out like so. There's the firesteel. The cordage came separate, but obviously I attached it. Let me take out the Kansbol just to show you. Got a 90-degree spine. Throw some sparks here. So that definitely works. Just to show you on the firesteel, there's no like little tab or anything, but it does seem to lock in pretty clearly. When you slide it in, it'll click into place. So it doesn't like turn and lock in, but it stays solidly in place. And then you can kind of coil this out of the way if you want. You don't have to put the little lanyard system or the cordage system on if you don't want to. And then obviously you have your sharpening stone, so if you want to sharpen the blade, you can do that as well. I will tell you, when I got this system shipped to me from Mora altogether, this was tucked down in somehow like this, I think. And then when I first tried to put the knife into the sheath, I almost sliced this a little bit, so be careful. But bottom line is that you now have a firesteel attached to your Kansbol or your Gerberg. These are running about 29, 30 bucks right now. If you're gonna buy a firesteel by itself, you'll probably pay, you know, depends on what size you get, what kind you get, but you could pay from, you know, 9 bucks, 10, 12 bucks up to 20 bucks, depending on what you're getting and the size. But yeah, you're getting the attachment system, you're getting the firesteel, the lanyard, and the or the cordage and the sharpening stone. So I feel like it's reasonable to pay 30 bucks for that, 29 bucks for that. Yeah, I want to tell you guys about this. Again, I wouldn't call it a survival kit. I would call it an additional tool to help with survival, but not really a survival kit. Let's hear your thoughts. I think overall a win, just got to change the name. And yeah, love me some Mora knives, love me the things they put out there. Great tools, great knives, and a win overall, just got to switch up the name. So thoughts and comments in the comment section. Let's hear your feedback. Do you like it? Would you change it? What would you add if you could add something to the kit maybe? And let's get that conversation started in the comment section now. All right guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.